Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 A220 4MATIC. This one is a Cosmos Black Metallic. Underneath here it's a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder with 188 horsepower and 221 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior appearance, 19-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, diamond style grille up front, night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear. A black Dynamica with red stitching seat, gloss black center console, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, A220, 4MATIC badging, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a 10.25 high resolution instrument cluster, as well as a 10.25 high resolution media display, which is now touchscreen, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz user experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Change ambient light to red."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This A220 has 32,863 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this A220 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.